Hi friends, this video shows how to attach this protective material if you want to transport the printer. First we need to open this cover. This is very simple, just pull this top part. Then lock it, it will automatically lock. If you want to close, again pull, then release. Okay, so let me open this cover, just pull. Here inside you can see print head locking cover. So we need to attach protective material here. So I will show you how we can attach that. We can move this locking cover left and right if required. See, this is a protective material. So this we have to attach like this. Okay, so let me attach. Then you can put some tape on top. So this way we can attach protective material. So this protective material will protect your print head. It won't allow print head to move left or right when you transport. So please use this protective material if you want to transport printer. Okay, so if you want to remove, this is very simple. We can just remove it like this. So please keep this protective material safe. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.